This is my new Lego set. And I'm going to put the box away. And here's the set already built. Or the set out with the boat. It has a water gun and a big rotor, sirens, and a steering wheel. And these buttons that look like floating. Now let's go into the engine, the dot. So this engine can turn that wheel, and this can turn, and it snaps right like that. And this is the minifig that should work there. And here is the swimmer one. And here's the flames that go like this.
So what do you think? Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, pretty cool set.
Mm-hmm. Let's build.
Yeah. Do you have a lot of other things that you have built over here? Do you want to tell the kids anything about any of the other stuff that's built over here?
Let me tell them more about my Lego city.
Yeah, you got a little Lego city going on?
Mm-hmm. And my Lego city.
What's your favorite thing so far?
My new Lego set.
Yeah. Hey, it's a pretty cool forest.
Yeah. My mom built it. She taped it.
All right. Tell the kids you'll see them later.
Bye, kids. I also built this police boat.
Yeah, nice.
That's the criminals.
All right. I like this thing right here. Can you show the kids what this is real quick?
That's a fire ambulance.
Yeah, show them the working, moving parts of that.
So, let me get through here. And let's start out with the back part. Watch this, kids.
Oh, wow.
It opens all the way. And here's a stretcher and a person. This person is sick, so we lay him down right like that, and then put him into the bed. And watch this. There's a water tank up there, and it disappears.
Wow. Did you have a plan for this, or did you make this up yourself?
I just made it up myself. Wow. It can raise really high, all the way up to the sky.
Nice.
So it can shoot his water all the way up to the ceiling.
Cool. All right. We'll see you later.
Bye, kids. I hope you like my little video.